Hello, welcome back for lesson number 45. I put a title called Bell Cut. Today we're going to cut the bell area for finishing cut. I have partnered with Dream Technology System to produce this video. I hope everybody can learn something out of it. Yes, we're going to do the same thing again. Open the previous lesson file and continue what we're going to learn today. This is the result on the previous operation. We have already cut at the previous lesson the finishing area of the ring. Today we will go for the belt. First we will duplicate the operation. Operation number 3, spiral cut 3. Manage, we want to change the tool from diameter 6 to diameter 3 because the area is having a radius of R2. We will use 1.5 radius, which is diameter 3. Manage, change diameter 3. Flat end mill, final. Tool number 8. Click OK. With that, we go into the parameter setting. Right mouse click, edit. Change RPM and feed rate. Yes, we will set the bottom and the wall to 0 to do a finishing cut, and only base only. Retract, set 2 and 2. Change the color. We go for calculate. Yes, looking good. Let us verify whether it's what we want. Change the frame to G54. Drag the 2. Yes, Z-10 to the depth. Click OK. Click OK again. We will go for the solid verified. We perform visual analysis. Looks good. Okay, let us save the file. Let me switch the screen to show you step by step how to complete the task. Hello, welcome back. Let me show you step by step how to complete the task. First, we double click the previous operation, collapse it. We no need the part detail as well. We can collapse it. Right mouse click, duplicate. Change the tool, manage. We're going to put a diameter 3, D3, flat, end mill, final, 0. This is 3. We go for tool number 8. Click OK. Yes, we're going to use this tool. Edit parameters. RPM 900. 220. No change here. This is set to 0 and base only. Change this one. 2 and 2. Display. We want to change the color to yellow. Let us calculate. Looks good. Yes, go for verify. Set the frame. Drag the 2. Yep, is Z-10. Okay. Let us click OK. Go for the solid verify. Slow down. Play. Finishing cut. Looks good. Go for the analysis visual. Zoom in. Look for the bell area. Yes, all green color to the size that we want it to be. Close. Close. We save the file. Thank you for watching. We will continue to perform the drilling and tapping operation at the next lesson. Bye bye.